Alright. We're gonna start my truck here. With controllers on still. Can't drive and steer with one hand. Oh man. Alright, I was just gonna actually show you that if you hold the line right here going into the motor, into the cylinder, that it revs up higher. But I didn't get to because it shut off, probably because I don't have enough gas. So it was bumping around. And my controller was going dead. You know, runs it's 0.18. It's running probably around 180. You know, it probably could be tuned into more, around 230 maybe more would be better. But 180 right now, I have it about. One inch tires in the back, they're, you know, 4 grooves, newer, 2 inch in the back, sand tires, HPIs, don't know what the names of these, I forgot, you know, fairly new. Put a new spare gear on, because the old one was getting worn down a little bit from after some of the usage. These cables right here are new. The old ones are getting cracked. And a new whatever this thing's called, filter, not filter, air, whatever it's called. New antenna thing, you know, little antenna. Kinda new Futaba. You know, I've had it for about a year. So